my YouTube channel again. So I have come back to you again with my new hot topic video. We we might have faced in our some time PC becoming slow. Everybody, every one of us have faced this problem. Why is our PC being so much slow, hang? So what are the reasons behind this problem? What are the reasons and how can we sort these problems? What are the solutions for this problem? So we are gonna discuss about this and hope you like the video. So let's start our video. PC becoming slow. So there might be many reasons for PC becoming slow, but I have got some reasons I have faced and you might also have faced. So let's start without any delay. So PC becoming slow, the first reason might be uninstall unused programs. If you uninstall unused programs, then your PC might get rid of becoming slow. So when you buy a new PC, the chances are there are lots of programs pre-installed onto it. Old PCs can simply accumulate these over time. Most of these you will never use and some of them can often run in the background without you knowing, slowing your computer down in the process. To remove these uninstalled unused programs, you must click start. First of all, click start and then go to control panel. After you go to control panel, you will see the programs and features. Click on it, click on programs and features, then scroll through the list. You get a list, buck of lists, and just you need to scroll the list and find the uninstalling ones you never use. So you will get the list and find the programs or softwares or anything you haven't used and is of no use, then you just uninstall the never used ones. So to open control panel on Windows 10, to open control panel on Windows 10, Windows key and the X key. You just press Windows key and the X key. This opens a menu in the lower right corner of your screen. On your screen with control panel listed among its options, if you're unsure what should stay or go, use PC Decaprifier. What? PC Decaprifier. What is PC Decaprifier? PC Decaprifier means a free piece of software that recommends what is worthwhile or not. Hope you get it. So let's get into another topic. How can you get rid of it? The next might be delete temporary files. Delete temporary files. Whenever you use Internet Explorer, all of your browsing history remains in the depths of your PC. The same thing happens when you install something. It's like never throwing away the packaging when you buy a new TV, and by doing so, it will free up space on your system. To get rid of all this clutter up, open My Computer or this PC on Windows 10. Select your main drive, click the Windows folder. Inside that called temp. Open folder inside which is temp. The folder name temp. Use your mouse to right click on the folder and in the view options choose details. Once this is done, select all the files that are older than the current date and press the delete key. Then go to the recycle bin. On your desktop and empty it. So another way to open the temp folder. What are the shortcut keys to open the temp folder? One is just Windows key plus R. You need to press Windows key plus R key and then type temp and then enter it. So let's go on to the third solution. Install a solid state drive. Install a SSD. If your PC takes an age to turn on and be ready for action, your hard drive might be the fault. Typically, they have lots of moving components and take a long time to fire up. A solid state drive uses flash memory like a massive USB stick and can read data a lot quicker, therefore speeding up your startup. Similarly, let's get into the fourth hot topic: solutions. That might be get more hard drive storage. No matter if you keep your computer tidy, if your hard drive becomes too full, it will affect speed of your PC. If you use your system for processor heavy tasks such as recording video and media, the likelihood will be that your drive will get choka before you know it. Nowadays, you can get mega storage drives over 1 TB, which is good for thousands of HD movies. So get more hard drive storage to free to get your PC rid of slowing. So now let's get into the fifth solutions. Stop unnecessary startups. Stop unnecessary startups. So click start. Whenever you switch on your PC, some programs will automatically start to run in the background. Things like Skype and Spotify are guilty of this. All the applications running will use your computer's memory, so ditch the ones you don't need running. To do this, click Start and type Run. In the box that appears, type msconfig. msconfig and a box will appear at the and the box will appear at the top. Click the startup tab listing all the applications that run when your computer starts. Either manually untick the ones that are unnecessary or click disable all, but be sure to keep vital things like antivirus going. Get more RAM. Have you noticed when you try to work on several have you noticed when you try to work on several applications at once, such as email, internet, and Word, your computer has a minor stroke when flicking between them? This is because you don't have enough RAM. This is memory used by your PC to run the programs and can easily upgrade and quite cheaply if you know where to look. So now let's go into another another solutions for this. The next one is reset your PC. Reset your PC or reinstall Windows. If the other tips here didn't fix your problem, the one timeless solution to fix Windows problems, aside from rebooting your PC, of course, is getting a fresh Windows installation. On modern versions of Windows, that is Windows 8, 8.1 and 10, it's easier to get a fresh Windows installation than ever. You don't have to get Windows installation media and reinstall Windows. Instead, you can simply use the reset your PC feature. Yeah, you can use reset your PC feature and feature built into Windows to get a new fresh Windows system. This is similarly to reinstalling Windows and will wipe your installed programs and system settings while keeping your files. If your PC is still a mechanical hard drive, upgrading to a solid state drive, that is SSD, will offer you a dramatic performance improvement too. In an age where most people won't notice faster CPUs and graphic processors, solid state storage will offer the single biggest boost in overall system performance for most people. So, and let's go get into the next solution is run a disk defragment. So what do you mean by this? Defragmenting your hard disk actually shouldn't be necessary on modern versions of Windows. It will automatically defragment mechanical hard drives in the background. Solid state drives don't really need traditional defragmentation, although modern versions of Windows will optimize them, and that's fine. You should not worry about defragmentation most of the time. However, if you do have a mechanical hard drive and you just put a lot of files on the drive. For example, copying a used database or gigabytes of PC game files. Those files might be defragmented because Windows hasn't gotten around to defragmenting them yet. In this situation, you might want to open the Disk Defragmenter tool and perform a scan to see if you need to run a manual defrag program or not. So here we come to the last solution for PC becoming slow, and that might be buy a new PC. Lads, you need to get a new PC if these all solutions doesn't work. Simple advice, but most effective if you have got a PC that should be cashing in its pension. With the rise of tablet PCs and the low cost of components, prices of new laptops and desktop computers are so much more affordable than years ago. Save yourself a heap of trouble and think about it. Get a new PC.